Hey world, so glad you made it. In this vlog, we wanted to find the value of this expression. 86 divided by 1 over 16, then times 16. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 16 divided by 16, which equals 1. So here we have just 1. And 86 divided by 1 equals 86. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 86 divided by 1 over 16. To do this division, write down the 86 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 16 over 1, which gives 16. And here again we have times 16. 86 times 16 gives us 1,376. So 1,376 times 16, which equals 22,016. And so our final answer to this problem is just 22,016. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for updates.